Going on.
So what?
We had an employee that let things come out of the store.
Okay.
About $1,000 worth of stuff. And
This her?
Yeah.
8 shopping carts?
Altogether in the hour, it was 8 shopping carts full of stuff.
Where did the $1,000 number come from?
It was probably over that amount because there were totes full of things that we couldn't even see what was in them.
I'm getting ready to go to jail
Can you have someone come get it?
because I let somebody walk out of
A Dollar General cashier scans one drink. Her aunt walks out with a full cart of unpaid merchandise. Surveillance cameras captured every second of it. Was this a one-time lapse in judgment or the surface of something far larger? And when the officer arrives with the evidence already in hand, does the employee have any idea what she is walking into?
Going on.
So what?
We had an employee that let things come out of the store.
Okay.
About $1,000 worth of stuff. And
This her?
Yeah.
Okay. How y'all doing?
Hi.
You know what manager called?
I am the manager.
Okay, you're the one who called?
Yeah.
What's going on?
So what?
And
This her?
Yes.
Okay.
So
Is there a loss prevention person we need to talk to?
I can call her.
Okay, do you both have IDs?
I do. It's inside.
mine's inside.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
What's going on?
If you want to just hang out for a second, want to have a seat or do whatever, let's try to figure out what's going on and we'll go from there.
So you got all the information from her?
Yeah, from her and her.
Okay. I'll talk to you for here for the other thing. So that was the loss prevention manager. Basically, I hadn't got the manager's statement, but apparently she already wrote a statement to her, and so it all happened yesterday. It's just one instance.
Okay.
Over the span of 4 hours yesterday.
Okay.
The employee allowed the employee's aunt, to basically load up entire carts of whatever. I mean, over $1,000 worth of stuff, and she would scan like 1 or 2 things.
She would?
The employee would
So
scan.
she was understanding?
Yeah, the employee would scan 1 or 2 things and let the aunt
Are they
walk
wanting?
out. She wants to press charges.
So they're both gonna go.
If they don't know the aunt's name, and the employee apparently wouldn't tell her, so. But yeah, so.
Oh, if that's the case, then she can.
But apparently, you want me? I'll go inside with the manager. Get that.
Yeah, I need the surveillance video, and if they can give us an idea of what all was taken, we need a receipt.
Yeah. Let me go. She should have all that. Go ahead and have all that ready.
Okay.
I'll go in there with her, get all that.
I go do that. I'll Mirandize her and talk to her real quick. And
Okay. But apparently she already knew everything on their written statement, so.
that's fine.
All right.
We're still
I'll go with the manager. All right.
All right, Sherry. Come up, Steven. Here.
All right. I'm going to read you something and ask you a few questions. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. You cannot afford to hire a lawyer. One will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish to speak to me about this incident.
That's fine.
So
Yeah, because it's kind of a tricky situation.
that's the statement she wrote.
With her aunt. So, her knowingly scanning and allowing her to steal, that's a criminal offense in itself, but.
Well, about 15 minutes ago, the ladies who were the last ones to come through with stuff came back in, and their carts are still sitting over there when they realized I wouldn't let her come out and ring them out.
Okay.
I have pictures of the transaction from the register because it wouldn't let me reprint them.
Okay.
So, this is what she rang up. that's what she gave away. And I can show you on the big camera too. And then she rang up a drink, and that's the cart he pushed out.
And the only thing she rang up was the drink.
The drink, yeah. That's the actual receipt for the transaction.
Okay.
And that's on the jump drive.
Can you? Oh, this is all on the jump drive.
Yeah.
So I can take this, right?
Yes.
Cool.
She told me to have it already, so.
Yeah, that makes everything a little easier. Hey,
Give us just a penny.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put my stuff there.
And then this
and
is,
the employee is Amy Rankin. I'm
Yeah.
guessing. Okay.
and she signed it, so. And she put her employee number. I don't know if you need the original or the copy. I was just told to make a copy of it. So. And then these are, like, when I went through and watched the video, I didn't put all of this on there because it wouldn't have fit. But
What is all? Oh, okay.
this is the list of stuff I could see in the cards that got taken.
Can you do? Did you make copies of all that?
No, not yet.
You make copies of all that, front and back, if you would.
You will be placed under arrest for grand retail theft. Yes. Tell me what's going on. Like, you're being accused of underscanning and allowing your aunt to walk out. Like, you know how many different felonies you can get from this? It's organized retail theft, basically, is what it is. Whether it was your idea or not, you went along with it. Did you get dropped off here, or is your vehicle in the...
My vehicle's here. Hey, I'm getting ready to go to jail
Can you have someone come get it?
because I let somebody walk out of here with stuff yesterday. Yeah. I don't know.
Florida Statute Section 812.015, subsection 7, paragraph B, classifies retail theft involving merchandise valued at $750 or more as grand theft in the third degree, a felony carrying up to 5 years. The alleged loss exceeded $1,000, satisfying that threshold. More consequentially, subsection 8, paragraph A, governs organized retail theft, defined as two or more persons acting in concert to commit retail theft. The aunt's deliberate concealment of her identity from store personnel confirmed by the suspect on camera satisfies the planning element that distinguishes an organized criminal scheme from a standalone theft. Miranda versus Arizona requires advisement of constitutional rights before custodial interrogation. Custody is established when a reasonable person would not feel free to leave. The officer administered a complete advisement before any substantive questioning, approximately 3 minutes into the recorded encounter. Pre-advisement questions limited to identification are exempt under Pennsylvania versus Muniz, decided in 1990. The timing here was constitutionally sound. The suspect did not invoke her right to silence or request the presence of counsel. She subsequently made a voluntary on-camera admission of knowing participation in the scheme. Under Colorado versus Connolly, a Miranda waiver is valid when made knowingly, voluntarily, and intelligently, not legally wisely. That admission eliminated an element of guilty knowledge the prosecution would otherwise have been required to prove independently. The pre-transport purse search is lawful under Chimel versus California. A search of the arrestee's person and items in her immediate possession requires no warrant. It is authorized as a matter of law, incident to a valid arrest. Under Florida Statute Section 777.011, the employee's principal liability equals the aunt's. Manipulating a register to enable theft is legally indistinguishable from committing the theft directly.
So, I will let you know when I can get a bond hearing or whatever.
No, you'll have a bond tonight, sent by me.
He said I'll have a bond setting set tonight. I'm not sure how much it was.
Where's your keys at for your vehicle? Are you able to have someone come get it? Because obviously you're not going to be allowed back on this property.
He's gonna call my aunt.
Shelly?
No,
Okay.
my Aunt Judy.
Okay. Do you have a phone number for Shelly?
I don't have anything for her. She made it very secretive, so I guess this is why.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna go get my purse and stuff and put it in my car.
Is it inside? Okay, we'll have that come out and just finish your cigarettes.
Do I need to take my ID with me?
Not necessarily. I would take your cell phone with you so you can get phone numbers out of it.
And then I'll just put my cigarettes and my keys and everything in the car. Or,
I have your information, so you don't necessarily need your ID. It wouldn't hurt to take your wallet and phone with you, but that's really your choice.
and I'll leave my ring and do I need to take earrings and everything out, or?
You will be made to at the jail, yeah. Is it just your purse inside?
I believe so, yes.
So she took 8 shopping carts?
Altogether in the hour, it was 8 shopping carts full of stuff.
Where did the $1,000 number come from?
It was probably over that amount because there were totes full of things that we couldn't even see what was in them. So what she estimating?
You didn't happen to get her on video writing the statement, did you?
Yes.
She is on video writing the statement?
Yes. I can add that to the.
Yeah, if people would do that, that would just be a little icing on the cake, so to speak. And what I'll do is I'll just take the copied version of everything.
Okay.
Or the receipts you have are on here, you said? Or what you...
Well, I have the beginning, like where she scanned one thing and then gave them their copy of the receipt and they walked out with 2 carts full of stuff.
Okay, cool.
Back on there. All the ones that I had time to put on there are on there. So
Okay.
if you guys need anything else, we can do it all from here. We don't actually have to wait for them to send it to us, which is kind of nice.
Yeah, this is a good starting point right here. So, how long has she been working here?
At this store, only a couple months. Or not even a month, actually. She came from the other Anthony store, so the way she did it, I have a feeling that this is not the first time.
Yeah, I'm sure.
And
she wouldn't give y'all her aunt's name? Okay. Look like her mom.
And they were driving a red van, because you can kind of see it off to the side. Because she walks out to it. And
were y'all able to get... Y'all have outside cameras?
But you can see the van in the corner.
I was just wondering if you were able to get a tag. If it was going to be if I can get a tag number from the video, but probably not from that angle.
You can only see the side of it.
Yeah. That would probably help us identify, at least identify the aunt or her mom or whoever it is, you know.
There's that. And then send this.
Just what I need from you is going to be, hey, on this day, yesterday, or
this morning
when you saw the video or whatever, just say, hey, on video I saw our employee, false ringing.
Okay.
And then mention, what you saw. You watched the video, you saw the lady putting whatever you saw, the lady putting stuff in the basket, a male getting it out, the 2 black females. Like I said, I don't need all the details of what was stolen because I have all that right here. I have a witness statement form. I'm actually going to...
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm actually going to give you. You can just come outside with me. So, we'll get you squared away. Excuse me.
I'm sorry, bitch. Look at that.
She's going to come out and do a witness statement. So, I'll get her that form.
While she's doing one. So you got all that. Yeah. Where's her person?
Oh,
yeah, her
I'm sorry. Will you grab my shoes, please?
Whose shoes are those?
Mine. My work shoes.
Okay.
I have slides.
Oh, okay.
We should get the keys for her car and lock everything up. And You said you have a family member that's going to come get your car?
Where do you want to leave your keys?
I'll just leave the door unlocked.
You sure?
Probably not the greatest idea.
Thank you much.
Sir, if you aren't sweating now.
Let me look in your purse. Make sure you ain't got no weapons. Swap. Which car is yours? Swap out, ball. The universal precaution I gotta take.
I did something stupid yesterday. I'm not about it. Good.
Oh.
Yes.
Do you have any money to bond yourself out of jail or anything?
No.
Then you can leave it in here. If you want to take your ID with you, you can. I'll bring your ID, that, and your cell phone. We'll be good to go.
I do have fake teeth. Am I gonna have to leave those with you guys too?
That's good. I have no idea. You got your cell phone?
Yeah.
I'll take that. Let's go over here and have a seat in my car while we get finished doing everything and get this going.
Do you have anything else you want to bring?
I do go push off I am.
And since you've been so cooperative, you just put your hands in the front. I'm not gonna make you turn around and put them behind your back.
And this is just eczema. I don't have like
Oh, that's contagious.
no.
I have no idea.
I'm find out.
No, it's
I
not.
thought it was just birthmarks that you had.
No.
So you've been cooperative to make this as easy and comfortable as possible.
Pretty good. Have a call like this.
All right, open. Wherever. Should be good.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks, babe.
Well,
Mind if I wait to see how much it is?
that's fine. You can wait. So like you said, $750 or less. It's misdemeanor.
I'm watching. I guess.
So.
How do they know? I guess they followed around the store and watched what.
Well,
she
they got
picked up.
video cameras. I mean, everywhere.
All over the place.
All over
Yeah,
the place.
I know.
So, you know, they invest big money into that kind of thing, and before they call us, they do their due diligence. So.
Are they saying this is the only call? Do they suspect other? Do
Right
they have-
now, this is all they're saying, and that's all she said. This is the first and only time. So until we know otherwise, yeah, we're just treating this like a isolated ordeal. So.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. Amy Rankin was booked that evening, with bond set the same night. Investigation confirmed an identical scheme at a prior Dollar General in Anthony, Florida. Losses there exceeded $8,000. Complete case disposition was not confirmed in publicly accessible records at the time of this analysis. The responding officer receives an A-. Miranda was administered at the correct moment. Physical evidence was collected in multiple redundant formats. The organized retail theft framework was correctly identified on scene. The arrest involved zero force. The extended pre-transport window is the only tactical concern of note. Amy Rankin receives a C+. Physical cooperation throughout the arrest was exemplary and legally sound. However, waiving the right to silence after a complete Miranda advisement and making a direct self-incriminating statement on camera represents a material error in legal judgment. The store manager receives an A-. The pre-assembled evidence package, surveillance footage, transaction photographs, itemized inventory, and signed statement created a prosecution-ready record before officers arrived. 3 takeaways. Dollar value documentation at the scene carries direct charge consequences. The gap between $750 and $3,000 separates a standard felony from an enhanced organized retail theft charge. A Miranda advisement is not ceremonial. Post-advisement statements are admissible as substantive evidence against the speaker, and deliberate concealment of a co-participant's identity is an aggravating element under Florida's organized retail theft statute, not a mitigating circumstance. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.